farm.
It's hot, hot, hot outside. Yeah, that means it's water time. Everybody needs a drink. So refreshing, don't you think? Drink, drink, drink it up. Water, water in your cup.
Drink, drink, drink the water.
Drink, drink, drink the water.
Splash, splash, keep it cool. Splash, splash, water rules.
It's hot, hot, hot outside. Yeah, that means it's water time.
Pour some water on your head. Dance around with all your friends. Pour, pour, pour the water.
Pour, pour, pour the water.
Splash, splash, keep it cool. Splash, splash, water rules.
It's hot, hot, hot outside. Yeah, that means it's water time.
Sprinkle water all around.
For the grass that's on the ground. You can jump in water too. Yeah, you know just what to do.
Jump, jump through the water.
Jump, jump through the water. Splash, splash, keep it cool. Splash, splash, water rules. It's hot, hot, hot outside. Yeah, that means it's water time. Fun with water is so great. Now it's time to celebrate. Let's all have an ice cold drink. Hear the ice cubes clink, clink, clink. Drink, drink, drink the water. Drink, drink, drink the water. Water's great. Now you know on LelLellobee City Farm where good things grow.
Old Macdonald had a farm,
E-I-E-I-O.
and on his farm he had a cow.
E-I-E-I-O.
With a moo moo here and a moo moo there.
Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a lamb,
E-I-E-I-O.
with a baa-baa here
And a ba-ba there.
Here a bar, there a bar, everywhere a bar bar.
Old Macdonald had a farm,
E-I-E-I-O.
Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. On LelLellobee City Farm where good things grow.
Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Little one, little one. Time to brush your teeth now. Time to brush your teeth now. Go to bed. Go to bed. Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Little one, little one. Let's put on our PJs, cozy, comfy PJs. Time for bed, time for bed. Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Little one, little one. read a special story, your very favorite story. Time to sleep, time to sleep. 泥娃娃，泥娃娃，一个泥娃娃，也有那眉毛，也有那眼睛，眼睛不会眨。泥娃娃，泥娃娃，一个泥娃娃，也有那眉毛，也有那眼睛，眼睛不会眨。On LelLellobee City Farm, we say good night.
A happy place.
A happy place.
Let's all make the world a happy place. A happy place.
A happy place.
Let's all make the world a happy place.
Let's have fun, na na na, have fun, na na na. Wear a smile on your face today.
Let's have fun, na na na. Have fun, na na na. Wear a smile on your face today. A happy place.
A happy place. Let's all make the world a happy place.
A happy place.
A happy place. Let's all make the world a happy place.
Now let's jump,
Na na na,
let's jump.
na na na. Let's all reach for the stars today.
Now let's jump,
Na na na,
let's jump.
na na na. Let's all reach for the stars today. A happy place, a happy place. Let's all make the world a happy place. A happy place, a happy place. Let's all make the world a happy place. Now let's share,
Na na na,
let's share,
na na na.
show a loved one you care today. Now let's share, na na na, let's share, na na na, show a loved one you care today. At LelLellobee, we love to make the world a happy place. At LelLellobee, we sing this song. A happy place is where all good things grow.
The penguin boogie. The penguin boogie. Have you ever seen a penguin that can boogie?
Don't you wanna do the penguin boogie too?
Penguins, let's go!
Right, Flipper!
Right, Flipper.
Yeah, that's right! Right, Flipper!
Right, Flipper.
We can do it all day and night. Come on!
This is the penguin boogie.
Have you ever seen a penguin that can boogie? Don't you wanna do the penguin boogie too?
Penguins, let's add a flipper. Right flipper.
Right flipper.
Left flipper.
Left flipper.
Start with the right flipper.
Right flipper.
Now the left flipper.
Left flipper.
This is the penguin boogie.
Have you ever seen a penguin that can boogie?
Don't you wanna do the penguin boogie too? Penguins, let's add the feet. Right flipper.
Right flipper.
Left flipper!
Left flipper.
The right foot.
Right foot.
And left foot!
Left foot.
This is the penguin boogie. Have you ever seen a penguin that can boogie? Don't you wanna do the penguin boogie too?
Penguins, just one more step.
Right flipper, left flipper, right foot, left foot.
Now turn around.
Turn around.
Yeah, turn around.
Turn around. Now you know the penguin boogie on LelLellobee Farm, where penguins like to dance.
Ella, today we're building apple crate cars. I'm gonna build the fastest. Let's go.
Let's drive in the car.
Drive in the car.
Let's buckle our seatbelts
driving. Let's build the cars.
Let's build the cars.
We'll pick 4 wheels to begin. Let's build the cars.
Let's build the cars. If the wheels are circles, they will spin.
Make sure they're screwed on tight.
Keep trying, you'll get this right. Driving, let's go driving. Let's finish the cars.
Let's finish the cars. We'll add a steering wheel inside.
Let's finish the cars.
Let's finish the cars.
Some little mirrors to help us when we drive.
Everything in the right place. May says it's time to have a race.
Yay!
Driving, let's go driving. Let's race the cars.
Put on your helmets like a pro.
Ready, set, go!
Race around the farm today. Who will win this LelLellobee race? Driving, let's go driving. Let's race the cars.
Let's race the cars. Vroom, vroom. You're racing with your friends.
Let's race the cars.
Let's race the
Ella
cars.
and Rishi are coming to the end.
It's very close. Who will win this time?
Ella and Hannah across the finish line. Driving, we love driving. Driving, we went driving. Yeah!
Hi, I'm Ella. Today we're pretending to be frogs, just like our friend Frogolina. Ribbit, ribbit, come splash with us.
5 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum!
One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were 4 speckled frogs.
La 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 la.
Ribbit, 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 ribbit.
4 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum!
One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were 3 speckled frogs.
La 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 la.
Ribbit, 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 ribbit. 3 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs.
Yum, yum!
One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were 2 speckled frogs.
Ribbit, 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 ribbit.
2 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum!
One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there was 1 speckled frog. Ribbit, 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 ribbit.
1 little speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum!
You can do it. Come on, Ben. Let's go.
He jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were no speckled frogs.
Ribbit, 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 ribbit.
Hi, sing along with us around the campfire.
Let's all do the camping sing-along. Sing along! Gather round and sing the camping song. The camping song! Let's go camping, camping, and sing our camping song. La 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 la.
First things first, let's put up our tent. Camping is much easier with your friends. Let's go camping,
Camping!
and sing our camping song.
Let's all do the camping sing-along. Sing along! A fire will keep us warm tonight, and it will help us see in the evening light. Let's go camping and sing our camping song. Let's all do the camping sing-along. Sing along! Gather round and sing the camping song. The camping song! It's time for a sweet marshmallow roast as the fireflies twinkle and glow. There's so much beauty everywhere, and the smell of hot
chocolate is in the air.
Let's all do the camping sing-along.
Sing along! Oh, it's getting late. We should go to sleep soon.
What's that noise?
A friendly raccoon! I love camping! Let's sing our camping song.
Let's all do the camping sing-along.
Sing along!
Gather round and sing the camping song.
The camping song!
Let's go camping,
Camping!
and sing our camping song.
Oh, little seed, you're in the ground below now. Oh, little seed, we'll wait for you to grow now. You're very small, but not for long. We love to sing our winter song. Oh, little seed, we'll wait for you to grow now. Grow, 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 little tree.
Oh, little tree, you're really growing taller. Oh, little tree, you used to be much smaller. So nice and green among the snow. The friendly sun will help you grow. Oh, little tree, how lovely are thy branches.
Grow, 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 little tree. Oh, little tree, you are so big and green now. Oh, little tree, you're big as you can be now. We'll sing the tree a lullaby. It's tall enough to touch the sky. Oh, little tree, how lovely are thy branches. On LelLellobee, see fun.
Active, let's get active, active. Let's exercise.
Hey everybody, let's get on our feet. Move your bodies to the active beat. All you have to do is keep your eyes on me. I'll make a move and you'll repeat. Let's do the buzzy bee by waving our arms.
Buzzy bee, buzzy bee.
Pretend you have wings and buzzy buzz with me.
Buzzy bee, buzzy bee.
Active, let's get active, active. Let's exercise.
Let's do a frog leap with our bouncy legs.
Frog leap, frog leap.
You can leap so high that you touch the sky.
Frog leap, frog leap. Active, let's get active, active. Let's exercise.
Let's do a star jump using all our might.
Star jump, star jump.
You look like a star shining oh so bright.
Star jump, star jump.
Hey everybody, you did so well.
You all got stronger, I can tell.
Now you know how to exercise.
So let's stay active, you and I.
On LelLellobee City Farm, we exercise.
Caterpillar, caterpillar. Caterpillar, caterpillar. Caterpillar, lots of healthy snacks. You're getting much bigger, would you look at that? Oh no, caterpillar, where'd you go? Where's my little friend? Caterpillar, caterpillar.
Caterpillar went in that cocoon. Don't you worry, you will see him soon. Cocoons are a place caterpillars go when it's time for them to grow. Hey, look at that, caterpillar's cocoon is starting to shake. Will we see him soon?
Caterpillar, caterpillar. Butterfly. Oh my, it's a butterfly. My caterpillar friend grew wings to fly. It's so amazing, I didn't know my caterpillar would someday grow into the prettiest thing in the sky, a butterfly. Caterpillar, butterfly.
Hi, I'm Ella. Grandma May has to deliver some fruit and veg, but the LelLellobee is stuck in the snow.
Oh, no.
We have to dig it out. Come on.
Yeah!
Oh.
Shovel, 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 shovel. Let's shovel all the snow.
Yay! Dance around, make some sound.
Put on a shovel show. So come on, grab a shovel and do the snow shuffle with me. Snow shovel, snow shovel.
We have to shovel if we want to go. The LelLellobee is stuck in the snow.
Oh no! Do you have a shovel? Let's do the snow shovel. Dig your shovel in the snow.
Dig, dig, dig.
Lift it up and throw.
Yeah, dig your shovel in the snow.
Dig, dig, dig.
Lift it up and throw.
Come on, grab a shovel and do the snow shuffle with me. Snow shovel, snow shovel.
We work together to get the job done.
When you're shoveling with your friends, it's so much fun.
Do you have a shovel? Let's do the snow shuffle.
Swing your shovel side to side.
Swing, swing, swing.
Spin around and do a slide. Dig your shovel in the snow.
Dig, dig, dig.
Lift it up and throw.
Here we go.
Shuffle, shuffle, almost done. Shoveling is so much fun. Shovel,
Yay!
shovel all the snow. Here we go.
We shoveled all the snow, and now it's time to go.
You did the snow shuffle with me.
Let's do the salad salsa. Let's do the salad salsa. Let's do the salad salsa with vegetables.
Let's make a salad, it's tasty. Let's make enough for us all. Let's make a salad with healthy vegetables.
Let's make a salad so healthy to eat.
Fill it with veggies and dance to the beat.
Let's dance. Time for some lettuce, we'll throw it inside.
Now some cabbage.
And tomatoes,
Watch the salad
come alive.
Let's do the salad salsa. Let's do the salad salsa. Let's make a salad, it's tasty. Let's make enough for us all. Let's make a salad with healthy vegetables. Sweet corn,
And spring onion,
hear the cabbage crunch. Cucumbers,
red peppers,
now it's time for lunch. Carrots,
Carrots. Potatoes.
Potatoes.
Turnips. Turnips.
Tomatoes. Tomatoes.
let's do the salad salsa. Let's do the salad salsa. eat our salad, it's ready to go. On LelLellobee Farm, where good things grow. Let's do the salad salsa. Let's do the salad salsa. We made a salad, it's tasty. We made enough for us all. We made a salad with healthy vegetables. Yeah! We made a salad with healthy vegetables. Growing up, everything grows. Growing up, we just keep growing.
In the spring, we plant a seed. An egg will crack, and soon you'll see. Over time, things get big, and growing up is a happy thing. Growing up,
Growing up,
growing up,
growing up,
everybody's growing up.
growing up.
As the year
As the year
carries on,
carries on.
we all sing the growing up song.
Growing up.
In the summertime, the plant will grow. We all get a little bit taller, you know. Your shoes will fit with a bit of luck. That little egg is now a duck.
Growing up, everything grows.
In the fall, the plant grows tall.
The duckling is a duck, and your shoes are small. Things are getting big, but growing up's a good thing. Growing up, everything grows.
In the winter time, the plant is huge. The ducks are ready to fly the coop.
You're so big now that you need new shoes. I love growing up with you. Growing up,
Growing up,
growing up
growing up.
on LelLellobee City Farm.